before, and I'll say it again and again and again. I do not like the high heat and humidity. It is exhausting. But I do have a better combination. How about some shrimp, vegetables, peanuts, and no cooking? I'm talking about summer rolls with a peanut dipping sauce that you're gonna love. The best thing about these are you can make them any way you like. Add some chicken instead of shrimp, add the vegetables you like best. It is a delight, and everyone can make their own. Less work for you, more flavor for everyone. The peanut dipping sauce, oops, that is delightful. Look at those colors. Are they not beautiful? And they're refreshing and delicious. And the dipping sauce. And there is nothing not to love about these. Make them the best. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.